Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, my brand new Nintendo Switch 2 has just arrived. So we will be taking a good look at this, and we'll begin by unboxing it. Okay, so to begin with, we're just going to have a look at the box. So, Nintendo Switch 2, front, side, not much there. Similar logo on the back. Bit more detail there. Yeah, overall looks nice. So let's get the outer cover off. As you can see, there's an outer cover on it. There we are. Get that off. And here is the inner box. Okay, there's the inner box. Similar design as the outer case. So, to open that, we're just gonna pull this tab, and I have it upside down, which is not ideal. Just flip it over, and there we have it. Controllers, much bigger than the other Switch, and then we have the console itself in some nice packaging. Good, that'll keep it nice and safe. I assume there's some instructions in here that no one's gonna read. There's the Mario Kart World download key, because this bundle I got here comes with Mario Kart World, so that's nice. And all the instructions. HDMI cable by the looks of it. HDMI cable. Straps for the controllers. Some silly cardboard. What's this then? Oh, the grip for the controllers. Yeah, that will come in handy. Yeah, very nice. I'm guessing this is the dock. Hang on, let's just look at the power cable first. USB to USB-C. That's nice. And the brick itself. Nice and modern. It's quite small actually. Yeah. And as I said before, will that come out? No. If I can get it out, we have the chunky dock. Plasticky, but if it does a job. Yeah, Switch 2. Nice. Okay, so let's get all the unneeded clutter out of it. Box, cables, all that. Let's just get the console. For now. Let's take the Joy-Cons out. There we are. Oh, that looks good, that does. Look at that. Absolutely fabulous. Right. Let's see how this mechanism works then. Yeah, nice and strong. Little wiggle. And the other one. Very nice. Let's put those both on. And the power button's there. Powering on. So just a little closer look at it. This is just on the setup screen, so with the controllers on. Got the magnetic connectors and the stand for it. Holds it up nicely. Nice, right, I'll get this all set up and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've set the console up now. Logged into my Nintendo account, so same way to get in as the OG Switch. And first thing first, we're just going to add Mario Kart World to the console. So it's got a download key here. So I'm guessing we go to redeem code. I mean, you'd think so. And type the code in. There we go. That should be right. And yeah, redeem. And that seems to have worked. Mario Kart World, yep. So if we've got the home now, added a virtual game card. That's if you want to pair it to the OG Switch I have, which we're not going to do right now. But that will download over the internet. So we can't pair that yet. But, so let's say 44 minutes, my god. Right, but apart from that, pretty much similar to the OG Switch, to be honest. The screen's bigger, as you can see. Bigger screen. Bigger console, bigger Joy-Cons. Feel quite nice. Pretty plain black. But overall, quite professional looking. Than the more so than the OG Switch. Yeah, quite nice. Right, okay, and just before we go, we might as well plug the dock in to the TV. Got a 65-inch TV here, so I've just plugged it in down here. Plug the power cable in. So there's a back on this which just pops off. There we are. Plugged in. Then you just put the HDMI cable into the back as well, which I cannot do one-handed, as you can see. There we are. And then there we are. I should just be able to pop that. If I take the yeah, these controllers are very, very secure on the console, so we definitely will not have to worry about the Joy-Cons coming off. I'll tell you that much. Because even if I do that, look, it's still not coming off. I have to pull it off with force. So, going by the OG Switch, I should just be able to just put that in there. And if I go on my TV... There we are, HDR10 onto TV. That looks like 1080p so far. So wonder if we can change that. Okay, well I can't seem to be getting 4K to work because as you can see, that is not 4K. That is 1080p. But I'm going to leave this video here because this is just a first unboxing video. I will do another video showing my Kart World off and everything, but for this video that's going to be it. So thanks for watching and I shall see you in the next one.